next in life. Speaking in public, snakes, heights, these are just a few common fears that many people have. Also a big fear, though, I've had it since I was little, going to the dentist.
Dr. Randy Mitchmore is here today to help us get rid of those fears with a Fear of the Dentist 101 conversation, and we're told a mystery box. Welcome. Great to see you.
Yes, I have a mystery box, and thank you for playing with us.
Yeah, what's the box all about?
So this is kind of like tackling the fear, right?
Yeah, well, just shining a light on it is really what this one's about. There's several fears. If I say fear of the dentist like that, there might be something that comes into your mind that's different from what Derek thinks about.
Okay, so we're being blindfolded right now.
One of the first things we're going to talk about, some people have a fear of the unknown.
Okay. I have a fear of being blindfolded in the mall.
Live TV.
Okay.
So one of the fears about going to the dentist is
Still here.
people are afraid of they don't know what's going to go on. They can't see inside their mouth and don't know what's going on and what to expect.
Oh, no.
So we're going to just let you experience some of the fears of the unknowns. You know, I played with snakes as a kid, but now I developed a fear to them.
Why are you talking about snakes?
Yeah, and Courtney, hold on, I'm going to tie this a little tighter. It's slipping. Courtney, she does CrossFit, and she's pretty tough. But Courtney, you're afraid of a few different things, right?
Well, yeah. I mean, well, of course, especially being blindfolded, I have no idea what's happening.
So these feelings you're having right now is what some people feel like when they walk in a dental office. They just
that anxiety level,
yeah,
right?
Are you feeling that? Because you're about to put your hand out and touch something.
I am?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
I want you to describe what those feelings are.
Well, it's uneasy. Like, I feel very anxious.
Okay.
And that I don't want to touch anything.
So put your hand out. I'll guide you a little bit.
Okay.
And I promise it won't bite. But go ahead and tell me what you think it is.
I don't know. I don't know what it is. It's like...
Are you touching it?
Yeah, I touched it. I don't know what it is. Is it a bone?
So how are you feeling about that?
I don't like it. I don't like it. I want to take it off.
Okay, you're a perfect dental patient. Okay, Derek, stick your hand out. What are your feelings?
I mean, I honestly feel like someone's standing like right in front of me. It's weird to be blindfolded like this and hear all the people in the mall. Yeah,
that's how some dental patients feel with the bright light in their eyes and people with masks over them. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah. Okay, that's...
What is it?
It's...
Do you still have your blindfold on?
Yes,
okay.
I do.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, it feels really gross, actually.
Yeah, well, that's what it feels like in a mouth sometimes.
Okay, well, can we take these blindfolds off now? Okay, so...
yeah.
What was that?
What was it?
Oh my gosh, a squid?
A squid.
That's
Did I touch that in the bowl? The crawfish?
Well, they are alive. I didn't know they were alive.
Thanks a lot. No, I get it, though. I get it. It's like that anxiety, that moment. We do have some patients of yours. Let's listen to what they have to say about their fears and really kind of tackling that when they go into the dentist. Let's take a listen.
Starting when I was about 3 years old, I was playing. I damaged my front teeth, and the dentist, I was afraid, the noises, the tools, all that kind of stuff. I was a little kid. I was scared, and he held me down, and he cursed at me, and that kind of set me up for this lifelong anxiety of going to the dentist.
Huh. I think a lot of people can probably identify with that. It's not just fear of the unknown that we just talked about. There's also fear of pain.
Fear of judgment.
Yeah.
And fear, like the white coat anxiety, right?
Absolutely. You know, a lot of people, like Susan was describing, maybe had a bad experience as a child. And I apologize for my profession all the time for creating some of those experiences, but it's amazing how, as a child, that can be carried through as a middle-aged adult. Those fears are just so strong. It will keep people from having the dental work they know they need, and they just can't open the door and go in a dental office.
And I think we do have another clip of the same woman, her experience at Lifesmiles, which is not what you would expect. You're not a typical dentist. Let's roll it.
And then I went to Lifesmiles, and everybody knows your name. It's a happy place. Everyone is genuinely happy to be there doing their job, and it shows. It's a fun place to be. I mean, everyone has to go to the dentist, right? Why not go to a place that makes you feel comfortable? I tell all my friends and coworkers, actually several of my coworkers and several of my friends go to Lifesmiles.
I think it's great. That speaks volumes to how you are walking, for your patients walking into the door. I love the bar sign that you have where the patients are too. That really puts them at ease.
Yeah, the tagline is where everybody knows my name.
Yes.
And just like Susan, 99% of the people I see, I consider them friends. I first met Susan. She's a successful architect in Montrose. And, we're friends, not just patients, and that really makes a difference. Not everyone's afraid to come to the dentist. Most people actually enjoy coming to Lifesmiles, but Susan had some really deep-seated fears to overcome.
And I do think we have one more clip. Let's roll that, and then we'll talk about it on the other side.
A lot of it stems from a fear of what I refer to as power tools near my face and particularly in my mouth. So anytime I'm having anything major done, Dr. Mitchmore uses IV sedation on me. And I go to sleep and I wake up and the work is all done. No anxiety. It's awesome.
A huge takeaway for me, too, is you don't want to put off dental work. You don't want to let these fears get to you, because you put it off, and it only causes more problems down the road.
Yeah, some people have a fear of the cost, and if they have a fear of going to the dentist also, it will literally keep them away, and what could have been a relatively inexpensive project becomes huge, but emotions overcome that logic so many times.
Dr. Mitchmore, thanks so much for stopping by. We're out of time. The squid felt very interesting in my hand. Reminder, if you guys would like to schedule an appointment with this man, Dr. Randy Mitchmore, we love him. You can always check out Lifesmiles.us, lifesmiles.us, right? Or you can call them at 713-592-9300. Thanks again, Dr. Mitchmore.
Great to see you.
Thank you.
Coming up next, we're telling you all about a new shop that just opened up in Houston last week, but they have deep roots in our community. We'll be right back.